And you see how it changes in rest and how it changes in stress and how it's modified, how the interventricular septum is modified, and how these two aspects are separated, and how the flow here pointed out. If we made a retrospective on the evaluation of this, we would be able to have a physiopathological comparison of the same concept. These are the clinical summaries. These are the consequences of repetitive ischemia. We would have myocardial dullness, and it can be recoverable, but it will take some time depending on the days and the torpor. And if it's adapted and to this repetition of ischemia, and unless abnormal flow is restituted, then it can recover its vitality. And clinical syndromes, we can see this with this flow diagram as a repetitive phenomenon. We can see some concepts that are clearly useful for clinics, and it's the post-conditioning, which is the explanation of how the patient with a repetitive angina can tolerate better or be better prepared to resist an infarction. And this can be induced pharmacologically, but it's complex, or with rehabilitation, with different pharmacological responses post-treatment. This was what I had shown you as a summary, and this is a comparison of the different methods that evaluated this, and they all have their contribution. And what I believe is that we need to integrate information in order to have a better utility for the cardiovascular patient. Thank you.